I've been in the industry for 15 or so years. Usually use the excavator for about 50, 60 hours a week. And so far we've had this grab on for 200 hours and it's, yeah. I'm James Ryan. I'm an operator at Ryan's Mulching. I operate the excavator and the mulchers. I knock down trees. We do all the land clearing. We mulch up all the timber in the dumps. Aussie Buckets were very helpful with our attachments, all our sizing, all that. We had multiple phone calls back about the measurements, making sure it was 100% correct to what we wanted. And yeah, we were very confident that it was going to be right. I found Aussie Bucket grabs to be a lot more fitted for our work, as in we've had grabs that were not suited for our work as they were too straight, they didn't have enough curl. But once again, we sent the measurement and they gave us exactly what we wanted. Aussie Bucket exceeded our expectation with the quick coupler that we fitted on our stiff arm. Has been fantastic. We sent all the measurements through for it and yeah, just no issues with it at all, as in it all fits. Since receiving the Aussie Bucket mechanical grab, we haven't had any downtime or any sort of maintenance we had to do on the machine except for greasing the grab at its right amount of intervals. We chose Aussie Bucket grabs due to we had a lot of good feedback from other customers that we have worked for, and also their price is fantastic. If I had a mate that was asking me for a grab, I would 100% recommend an Aussie Bucket grab due to just being, the sales team is easy to deal with. You send the measurement in, so they supply what you want, and just being that stronger than average grabs that we have dealt with, they've just been a fantastic set of grabs.